Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are here at the world famous Arambol Beach. I'm going to be showing you guys the little bit of the market. I'm going to show you guys the crowds. I'm going to show you guys the shacks. I'm also going to show you guys the kayaking prices and all the details of the shack prices, everything. So let's go and check out the beautiful Arambol Beach here in North Goa. Okay guys, so before we go to the beach, I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of the road going towards the market. This is the entrance basically of the market going towards the beach. So if you go on towards the right, that is the parking area. So if you come by car, definitely park your car that side. Right now there is mostly international tourists. Like the market behind me was full of international tourists. It's mostly Russians and you have people from Israel as well. So let me just show you some of the shops here in the market. Like the things you get in the Arambol market are like the most unique shopping you'll ever get, because it mostly caters to the international tourists. So there's a lot of different items which are very unique. You'll get a lot of leather items, and they have things like these also. But of course these are available in other markets like the Palolem market as well. On the right here, of course, is the most famous restaurant possibly here. They've done it up now from last season. If you've seen the previous videos, this is the Black Pirate. They've done it up really nicely, and it's really nice. It's basically a cafe. So let's just go down the street here. So I have to be careful here because of the slope. So yeah, we're going to go all the way down to the beach. It's pretty hot right now, so I'm already sweating, and I'm literally riding the bike and I'm sweating so much. So just to show you guys what it's like here in Arambol, besides the beach. So this is what I was talking about. So these are the items that are very unique to Arambol. You'll get all things like chillums and things like this. They even have these drum sets. The clothing also is very hippie kind of clothing that is available here, and of course you have all of these dream catchers and things like that. So yeah, we are going to go all the way down to the beach, and I'm going to show you. I said that already, but yeah, this is the area here. This is the main beach area. So let me just show you guys once I cross this taxi. Yeah, so let's continue. If you see here, these are those unique items that I was telling you guys about, the leather bags and things like that. And you have a lot of jewelry as well that you can buy here. Even the jewelry is pretty unique. So let's go right down to the beach. There's bike parking here if you want for bikes. And of course over here on the right is the famous German bakery, which is still standing strong for long time. Yeah, so we've almost made it to the beach. I'm excited to see the beach. I've not been to Arambol in a long time. So wow, look at the amount of people. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find myself some parking here, and I'll probably have to park on the beach, right onto the beach. So I'm taking my bike literally onto the beach, guys. So you can't take it very far onto the beach, but you can just park it here. So yeah, wow, beautiful day here. So we are going to take a walk down the beach. I'm going to show you guys what is open, the shacks and whatever. So give me a second to change into my walking gear for the beach. Okay guys, so just let me take you up and close here first of all and show you guys the scenes from the beach shacks here. So these are not beach shacks really, but these are the beachfront restaurants. So we have international tourists from different countries that are here now, but mostly from Russia and Israel, as I mentioned. Hello. So yeah, we're going to go down the beach. I'm going to show you guys what's happening. There is also surfing right now that's happening over here. So there's quite a few people because there's a surf school here. So hi, what's up? So these are all the restaurants here. There's the Gricos here. There used to be an Italian restaurant actually there, but I think they changed. So over here there is this little path of water. Guys, you don't want to go into this little path you want to jump over this, let me just show you first of all over here. So you don't want to get your feet dirty in this because this is dirty water. So what we are going to do is, let me just cross. I was just waiting for the people. Yeah, so these are the little fishing boats that are here. These are the local fishing boats that are here right now, and there are lots of the shacks that have opened up, all the beachfront ones. So that is the Goa Surf School. So if you want to learn how to surf, I would definitely recommend coming here. This is the best place to learn how to surf. And there they have like the Instagram friendly place. Yeah, what's up? How much is the surfing thing?
I don't know service price.
Where to ask?
What surfing?
Who? Yeah, the surfing people. How much is the surfing?
This guy.
Who? That guy?
Water.
Okay, he's in the water. Okay. Oh, there's kayaks also here. Wait, let me just go there in front and show you guys. So the surf school guy, I don't think he's around. I think he's already gone into the water to teach somebody how to surf. But yeah, you have these surfing place here, and this is the number basically. This is Vince surf school here. Oh shit, sorry guys, the camera was zoomed in. So yeah, this is the surfing, and you can also do the kayaking. Kayaking is really fun on Arambol Beach. I really like to go kayaking here because the water is now pretty calm and relaxed. So yeah, what we'll do is, let me just take you guys for a little walk and show you. So that side over there is basically the Arambol main area. As I was telling you guys, there's people from all over the world that are here right now, and yeah, so we are going to go towards this side for a bit and just show you. So over there you can get a lot of these budget friendly places if you want to stay. Places start from like 600 rupees onwards, especially there, the green one, and you can get up to the Arambol Sweetwater Lake. Also, if you go from behind there, there is a path that is going on top there, which is the Arambol, basically the viewpoint. If you want to see the viewpoint on top, the shacks are being built up now, and the shacks will be fully operational. The beach shacks which are on that side will be fully operational from November onwards here in Goa. But let's go back and hopefully try to find that guy who tells us the price. But also we are going to go towards the beach shacks. I'm going to show you guys like all the beachfront shacks, how much it is for the beach beds and everything. So yeah, what a beautiful day here in Goa. So it's pretty hot though. Hi, how are you? How much is the rent for the? How much? 500. Okay, for single and double there is no double.
Double 1,000.
Double is 1,000. Okay, and for 1 hour. Yeah. Okay, and the this board. Huh?
Boogie board.
How much is the boogie board?
200 रुपये घंटे का
200.
200.
Okay, per hour. Okay. Okay. So thank you. So 200 rupees per person for one. Yeah, for the boogie boards, and the kayak is 500 rupees for a single, and it's 1,000 rupees for a double for 1 hour. Ah, what a beautiful day. Again and again I'm saying it, yes, but it is really beautiful. So that side of the beach, guys, is basically the famous part of the beach where it is for the domestic tourists. A lot of Indian tourists like to come to that area there. So I'm just going to take you guys a little up close and personal and show you guys what's happening in these beach shacks here. So there is the Dream Arambol there. There is Blackout. This one is the Rock Lobster, which is pretty nice. A couple of our viewers went over there to the Rock Lobster, and I saw they had like some amazing seafood the other day. So, and they really had a good time also. Hi. So yeah, it's so hot. My legs are literally burning and burning. If you come here without slippers, you're literally going to get burnt, guys. So just to show you what the shacks look like in close up, and yeah, so hot. I really need a beer. so I'm going to probably stop and get a beer in a little while. But yeah, so they have these massage people on the beach. If you want to get a massage, you can also get those tattoos and things like that. So this is one of my friends here, the Arambol. Yeah, hi, how are you? Good. Oh. So these are some of my friends here. We had showed you guys in the previous vlogs here. So they have this Arambol here, which is a nice one. They have good seafood as well. So if you want, come meet the owner here, and you can meet him also. He's the main manager, boss guy. Yeah. So see you guys in a bit. Okay, wait, I'll just show you guys the menu prices here, just to give you an idea of how much things cost on the beach for things. What you guys can do is just pause the video just to see like the prices. So the prices are pretty decent here. So just pause the video and you can probably take a screenshot just to get an idea. How much do beers start from?
It's like 150 rupees.
Okay, so beers are from 150, he said. Okay, so these are the alcohol rates here. So you can see the Kingfisher pint is 150, and they have all the alcohol prices here. Yeah, you can screenshot this, guys. So anyway, thank you. Yeah, guys, when you're coming here, definitely invest in a good pair of sunglasses, because the sand is pretty white, as you can see. So what happens is it becomes even more, the glare that comes in is just a lot, means a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to a couple of popular shacks this side, which have quite a lot of crowd. And yeah, so Arambol is like one of my favorite places to come. I like to chill out here. I can spend the whole day here as well. So let me just show you the shacks that are here. So there on top is the Buddha Tasty, and let me just zoom in and show you guys what it exactly looks like. So the Buddha Tasty has this is quite famous for international tourists actually here, the Buddha Tasty. And let's just walk around here and show you the crowd that is here. Guys, I'm literally sweating like so much. Yeah, so these are the shacks here, and I really need that beer now. Yeah, so that side, basically the beach huts things which they build are not built yet, but they'll probably build it very soon. And let's just walk a little bit more and show you guys, just for an idea here what it's like. So this is the water. Let's do a water test. We're going to go into the water and check out how cold it is. I'm going to remove my slippers here, so I'm just taking off my slippers and let's walk in here. Wow, so that feeling, oh my gosh, the water is super cold. It's like really nice. Wow, but the moment you get into the water, you feel like really nice. Guys, look at how blue it is. Oh my gosh, my slippers are going. Yeah, so I just, yeah, make sure to keep your slippers way up. Evenings is really nice in Arambol because you have like the best sunset over here. Hi. So the sunsets here are the best. Wow. We can go that side also, but guys, it's way too hot for me to walk there. I'll probably do another video coming soon of that side. I'm going to enter the beach from that side and show you guys later on. But there in the distance is this really nice place called Laughing Buddha. That is like one of the little fancy looking ones, and if you want to click good pictures, you can click good pictures there. So yeah guys, I've showed you guys the shacks, I've showed you the prices, and yeah, this is what Arambol is like. You can feel like you're walking on the beach here with me in Goa. So there's quite a lot of people swimming, and here people don't bother you. If you want to swim, you can go to like way far also, whereas if you go to other beaches, the moment you start going like a little bit far also, they'll start coming and telling you to get out of the water. Even in Baga and Kalangut, you have constantly the lifeguards telling you to get out. But yeah, I really like Arambol. It's my I said it so many times, favorite place. But it's so nice and relaxing here. Just hearing the sound of the waves and everything. So my camera is going to turn around a little bit here and there just for you guys to get an idea of the scenes. Okay guys, so last thing that I forgot to tell you about was the surfing prices. So if you want to learn how to surf, here as you can see the surfboards they have here, the surfboards cost 500 rupees per hour, and if you want to take learn how to surf, they charge you 2000 rupees for 2 hours, and they'll train you how to surf, and they'll the waves are pretty nice here, so you can actually learn how to do surfing, which is pretty cool. And yeah, you can actually surf really nicely here, so it's a good experience to come and try surfing if you've not surfed before. So this is the surfboard that is here. And yeah guys, so that is the scenes from here in Arambol. I just wanted to show you some last scenes and tell you about the surfing prices. So anyway guys, that is it from here in Arambol. So guys, that is it from here in Arambol. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you guys lots of other videos from here in Goa.